In this exercise 2, in question number 1, this matrix A is given and we have to find the order of matrix and these two elements A21 and A22. Or we have written matrix A. The order of matrix is 2 by 2. This 2 is number of row. Here 2 rows are given and 2 columns are given. So order is 2 by 2. Then this elements A21 is, this means second row first column, this first row second row and first column means this element 5, and this means second row second column, this is second row and this is second column, and second row second column there is -3, so this element is -3. In this question number 2, this matrix A is given and here is also 2 row and 2 column, so order of matrix is 2 by 2, and this elements A11 means elements of first row and first column. First row and first column is 2, first row and second column is 4, second row and first column is 0, and second row and second column is 6. In question number 3, this B matrix is given and we have to find order of matrix. The order of matrix is 2 by 3, here 2 row and 3 column, so order is 2 by 3, and we have to find these 3 elements as given in this question, B12, B21 and B23. This B12 means first row second column is 3, and this B21 means second row first column is 7, and second row third column is -3. And in question number 4, here we have to write the order of following matrices. Means in this given matrix there are 2 rows and 1, 2, 3, 4 columns, so order is 2 by 4. We do not need to multiply this, we just write by this way. This means 2 row and 4 column. And in this question number 4b, in this matrix there are 1, 2, 3 rows and 1, 2, 3 columns, so order of this matrix is 3 by 3. In question number 4c, the order of matrix, this is 4 by 1, because here 1, 2, 3, 4 rows and 1 column is given. And in this question number 4d, this matrix has 2 rows and 3 columns, so order of this matrix is 2 by 3. In question number 5, we have to identify square and rectangular matrix from the following. In question number 5a, this matrix is given here 2 rows and 2 columns. 1, 2 rows and 2 columns are given. Since the this matrix has equal number of rows and columns, the given matrix is a square matrix. And in question number 5b, there are 2 rows and 3 columns, and since the number of rows and columns are different, the given matrix is rectangular matrix, or simply we can write the matrix is rectangular. We can write directly without giving reason also, like this. The given matrix, this is a rectangular matrix. In this question number 5d, the given matrix is a rectangular matrix as it has different number of rows. We can write this number of rows in bracket, and columns we can write number of columns in brackets. This 1 and 3 are different, so this is a rectangular matrix. In question number 6, are this and this matrix equal? Give the reason. And in 7 also, are this and this equal? Give the reason is the question. In 6, these 2 matrices, and we have written their order also, and just below the matrix, are equal because they have same orders. Here order are same 2 by 2 and 2 by 2 and their corresponding elements are equal. So these are equal and we have written the reason. They have same orders and their corresponding elements are equal. In this question number 7, the matrices this and this have order 3 by 1 and this have order 3 by 3 are not equal. This is the answer, and reason is because their orders are not equal. Though these have corresponding elements equal but their orders are not equal, so these two matrices are not equal. In question number 8, these two matrices are given equal and we have to find the values of x and y. And in question number 9, these two values are given and we have to find the values of x, y and z. For this, at first we write these two given matrices and we equate corresponding elements, means this with this with this, like this. We have to equate, means we have to write equal, which two are equal, that we have to write. Here this is element of first row and second column, and here element of first row and second column is -4. So these two will be equal. So x is equals to -4, and here this is element of second row and first column, and here second row and first column element is 0. So y is equals to 0. Similarly, in question number 9, these two matrices are given equal and equating corresponding elements. Here z -4 is element of first row and third column, and here these two is element of first row and third column. So these two are equal. Z -4 equals to 2, and from this z, when z is written same side, and this -4 when it goes to another side become +4, and 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have got the value of z as 6, and this x is element of second row and first column, and here element 5 is in second row and first column. So x is equals to 5. Similarly, y is element of second row and second column, and here 3 is element of second row and second column. So y is equals to 3. In question number 10, the question is find the values of x and y under the following condition. For 10a, these two matrices are given equal, which we have written here. From these two matrices equating corresponding elements, we can get x equals to 4 and x plus y equals to 5. And here in place of x we have written value 4 from here, and 4 plus y equals to 5, y remaining same side, and this 4 when it goes to another side becomes -4, and 5 minus 4 is 1. In this way we have got value of x 4 and value of y 1. In question number 10b, these two matrices are given equal. Equating corresponding elements, we get this x plus y equals to 4 and x minus y equals to 2. We can support this equation 1 and we can support this equation 2. Now adding this equation 1 and 2, we get like this: x plus y equals to 4 and x minus y equals to 2. When we add this plus y and minus y becomes 0, and this x plus x becomes 2x, 4 plus 2 become 6. Then from here x written same side, this 2 when taken to another side divides this 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. This value we are going to put in equation 1. We can also put in equation 2, but here we are going to put in equation 1. So in place of x we have written this value 3 plus y equals to 4. From this y remaining same side, and this 3 when it goes to another side becomes -3. 4 minus 3 is 1. In this way we have got value of x 3 and value of y 1. We can check this answer also by putting here x is 3 and y is 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. Again 3 minus 1 is 2. Here is 4 and 2. So answer is right. In question number 11, this A matrix and B matrix are given and we have to find A plus B and A minus B. So for this we have written this A matrix first and B matrix second, then this plus sign. As you know, for addition of matrices, this should be of same order and these two are of same order, so we can add these two matrices. For adding two matrices, we have to add their corresponding elements. So 6 plus 1, 2 plus minus 2, 3 plus 3 and minus 4 plus 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. This plus minus is minus 2 and 3 plus 3 is 6, minus 4 plus 5 is 1, that is minus and plus sign. So 5 minus 4 is 1 and greater number is 5, it has sign plus, so plus 1. And here 7 and 6 written as it is, 1 also same, and 2 minus 2 is 0. So this is our answer of A plus B. And for A minus B, this A minus B you can write after A plus B. I am writing here in this same, so that you can know very easily what is the difference in addition and subtraction. In place of this you have to write all minus, because 6 minus 1, 2 minus this minus 2, then 3 minus this 3, minus 4 minus this minus 5. Then this will be 6 minus 1 is 5, 3 minus 3 is 0, then this minus minus will be plus here, and this minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, and here will be 5, 2 plus 2, 4, and this 0 and this minus 9. So A minus B is this much. In question number 12a, this A is given and B is given. Here we have found A plus B and here A minus B. Here we have added corresponding elements and here we have subtracted corresponding elements. Here 3 plus 2, here 3 minus 2, here 0 plus 4, here 0 minus 4, here 2 plus 5, here 2 minus 5, here minus 1 plus 3, here minus 1 minus 3. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 5 is 7, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Here 3 minus 2 is 1, 0 minus 4 is minus 4, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, minus 1 minus 3 is minus 4. In question number 2 will be for A plus B, we are adding corresponding elements 1 plus 3, minus 2 plus 4, 3 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 0 plus 5, 4 plus minus 5, 1 plus 3 4, minus 2 plus 4 2, 3 plus 2 5, 6 plus 3 9, 0 plus 5 5, 4 plus minus 5, here plus minus is minus, and 4 minus 5, 4 minus 5 is minus 1, and other are as it is. And for A minus B, we have to write here all minus. Then here all will change. Here will be 4 plus 5, here will be 1 minus 3 is minus 2, minus 2 minus 4 is minus 6, 3 minus 2 is 1, 6 minus 3 is 3, 0 minus 5 is minus 5, then minus 2, 3, minus 6, minus 5, 1, 4 plus 5 is 9. This is answer of A minus B. In question number 12, see, these two are given matrices and we have added corresponding elements minus 2 this and plus 2, 3 plus 0, 5 plus minus 3, 6 plus 7, 0 plus 6, 4 plus minus 4. then minus 2 plus 2 is 0, 3 plus 0 3, 5 plus, here plus into minus is minus, so 5 minus 3, 6 plus 7 13, 0 plus 6 6, 4 plus minus 4, here plus into minus is minus, so 4 minus 4, and in here 5 minus 3 is 2 and 4 minus 4 is 0, and rest others are written as it is. So this is our answer of A plus B. And for A minus B, this we have subtracted corresponding elements, this minus 2 and this minus, and then 2, 3 minus 0, 5 minus minus 3, 6 minus 7, 0 minus 6, 4 minus minus 4. Then here minus into minus is plus, and this minus into minus is plus, and minus 2 is minus 4, 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 6 minus 6, 6 minus 7 minus 1, and this 5 plus 3 is 8, 4 plus 4 is 8, and other are as it is. In this way, this is answer of A minus B. In question number 12D, these two are given matrices A and B. We have added here corresponding elements 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3, 1 plus 0, 3 plus 1, 7 plus minus 2, 8 plus 6, minus 4 plus minus 5. And here we have subtracted corresponding elements. Then 2 plus 3 5, 1 plus 0 1, 3 plus 1 4, here plus into minus minus, 8 plus 6 14, and plus into minus minus, then this 7 minus 2 5, minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9. This is answer of A plus B. And here 2 minus 3 is minus 1, 1 minus 0 1, 3 minus 1 2, and 7 plus this minus minus become plus, 8 minus 6 2, here minus minus become plus, then 7 plus 2 is 9, and this minus 4 plus 5 is 1.